Second grade, in your packet, it is step by step. This is something that will help you be a better artist. This is not my picture, something I found from the internet. Go to page 17 and look at the shape this looks like to you. Hopefully you know that is a rectangle. That's right, artist. Now, do you see how they've softened those edges? And when we do step by step, we always follow top, just like you're reading, to bottom, left to right, light, light till you get it right. Now they've softened this rectangle, and then what do these boots look like to you? To me, they look like the letter L and the letter L backwards, and then they added a line and a bump, okay? Then you go to step number 3. How does step number 3 look different? Look right here, we've added some arms. I again noticed as an artist with my artist eye, the letter L and a backwards L. So first start with your L, okay? And if you want to put your hands on your hips and look at the shape that your arm makes, I think that's a good idea. And then you have a parallel line and then a bump at the end. Oh, look at this. We're adding detail to our monsters, artist. We have little claws. They look like teardrops to me. And he's added, pay attention to detail, to the hands and the feet. The next thing that they've added on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step are the eyeballs. Now, the shapes are circles. One of them is smaller, one of them is bigger, circle in the middle, curved line on top. Look at that, curved line for the mouth. And then this looks very similar to the claws, but it's actually the letter V. And the last step, artist, is to color. Add color, baby, color. And remember, we color, ooh la la, take care of our crayons.